Alright, hi everyone out there. DayTraderRockStar here with you. This is a little recap and watch list for Tuesday morning. Today we had a nice steady sell-off in the market. Most of on our watch list, though, our main ones were actually fighting the trend. Intel, especially Microsoft, Vulcan Materials. A lot of these stocks were actually going up as the market was pulling down, which is really good for the market. It just depends if you took profits or not into the moves and stuff. A lot of good trades, but other than that, a very boring day. So I just wanted to start off with a chart of the Dow and to show the kind of what we have, the weakness here. I don't know. This is a bar right here. It's today's bar, and we closed above the moving average, the 20-day moving average here, and we closed above it. I would say that tomorrow we're actually going to continue down and break through the 20-day moving average, and that's my best bet. Tomorrow we have a trend line that I made from the lower low, the real spike down low that we made back in August, and then another low we made in September. And if we follow that all the way up, we see it kind of dissects around the 13,900 line, a little below the 13,900. I would say 13. I don't have the exact one up, but I would have that up for you tomorrow. The exact motions, but you can see if you run that trend line up, that's where I figure our first point of our first target will be coming down into that before I would even consider trying to trade this downward trend. Tomorrow we got some big tech earnings coming out. Also, we have Intel, IBM, and Yahoo all coming out after the close. So these will also be on the watch list for tomorrow. All right, so let's continue on, and I think we're not going to, because we're going to have some weakness tomorrow in the market. I'm not going to make a big extended watch list. A lot of the watch list you can carry over from today's watch list on Monday. A lot of them will still be in effect. Maybe a couple of new ones. So let's get started on that. Here's one I would like to revisit on the watch list is AKAM Alchemy. The reason I like this one is there's a chart, a trading, I would say a technical formation I like to call the 1, 2, 3, 4 pullback. It's usually off of a move. We get a 4-day pullback, and then a continue higher, especially in the bullish stock. So AKM, I think we see 3 days in a pullback here. I would like to see one more day, maybe pulling us back down towards the 34 area, and maybe seeing a reversal sometime tomorrow and some strength into that reversal. I would like to start taking some shares on that one. So there's one right there that I'm beginning to like. Let's see what else we have here. This next one I want to discuss. Actually, I started taking a position today, and we'll see how this one actually I don't have all this stuff lined up here. Not lined up perfectly. Bad, John. I started taking a position in Starbucks today around between 26 and 26.30, and I'm starting to like this area down here. So we'll be watching this one closely. Like I said yesterday, I expect to move up further into this one to make this W pattern, or just to make a higher high. I'd like to eventually see this one come up and trade back up in this area up here. So Starbucks, I'm taking a position in, and I'm starting to like this one more and more. This next, again, we're not going to have many stocks on the watch list tonight. Tomorrow we have Intel coming out, but another Microsoft I like a lot as a continuation play here. I don't have these things. All this is not set up correctly here. Sorry for the scrolling. Here we should see some more strength in Microsoft tomorrow. We've been consolidating in this area, and I'm looking this whole area. Nice consolidation, nice strength above 30. We have a nice trend line up that we're holding on to right here, and I just like to see this continue to hold the strength in here as the market's pulling back, and then this one should give us a nice push ahead. Tomorrow also Intel is coming out with earnings, so I'm not actually going to follow that chart. I just feel that we're going to have a run into the close, into earnings. No matter what the stock does tomorrow, you might not want to trade it until the last half hour. I figure the last half hour is when we're going to get the major push up in this stock right here. And just it was up very bullish today on the on a down, a very down market. So it's very nice. The statistics are really getting overbought here, and everything looks really good. I'd like to see this one really break out of the 2650 area and continue on. I also was going to just show you some trades today and actually discuss some of the trades off the pivot points. So I'm going to try to maybe do another video. Keep the watch list very short tonight, and just talk about some other different things in the market. I'm also looking at Apple, AAPL, and all the all the momentum stocks. Google coming out on Thursday, and I feel that that one will also run up above. We were actually below 620 today, so I think anything below 620 in Google is a good buy too. So another one. Eastern Kodak has some good emotion in it today, and that's it. So I'm going to just stop this right now. I'm going to work on another video to get it out for you. And just remember that on a downward trending market, we want to continue to look for price divergences. Stocks that are holding their strength, like Volcom did today, like Intel, Microsoft, all these stocks actually headed up as the market was heading down. All give us good opportunities to trade. All right, so thank you for listening. Don't forget to tune in each night or each day at 8 o'clock to DayTraderRadio.com, where I'll be trading the markets live and bringing some great entertainment. All right, I'll talk to you soon.